welcome to Delta Gamma. My name is Zoe Pratt. I'm the Vice President of Recruitment here, and we're so excited to show you around. Come along and follow me into the main room on the first floor. So this is where we have chapter every Sunday when it's not on Zoom, and it's also the most common room in the house that you'll find women hanging out every day. So people will be just doing homework, relaxing, hanging out with their friends. The sun comes in through the French doors. And one of the main values that we have as Delta Gammas is the emphasis that we place on educational and cultural interests. This house is a really, really good space to come and promote that value. As you can see, Issa's actually down here doing homework right now.
Hey all, I love coming to the house just because it's a great place to get away off of campus and study a little bit, and it's quiet, so it's nice.
Now we're going to head into the other room on the main floor. Come along. This is another room in the house where women can come together. We often have official sisterhood events where we can all come down to the house to celebrate DG with our sisters. My personal favorite was last year when we had an Oscar viewing party on a Sunday night. We could just take a break, all come down to the house, watch the awards show together. And even when we're not having official sisterhood events, you'll often find women just hanging out in the house like Hannah is right now.
Hi, I love coming down to the house to hang out with some of my friends and also to form a better bond with my sisters.
Now we're going to head into the kitchen. The kitchen here is fully stocked and functional, so you'll often find women down here cooking or baking for themselves and their friends.
Yeah, like that one time our member class got together and had a spaghetti dinner with each other.
It was so much fun. We got to bond and eat some really good food.
Let's head upstairs. Let's take a look inside our upstairs craft room. So this room is mostly used for philanthropy, sisterhood events, and it's just a really great space for sisters to come and express their creativity in the house.
Hi, my name is Maria Pavlik and I'm the philanthropy chair. Our philanthropy is Service First Sight, and so this space is a great space to make crafts like touch and feel books that go to schools for the visually impaired.
So this is the final main room of the house. It's my personal favorite. It's just a really cozy space for women to hang out in the house. We actually have our TV up here as well, so we can have movie nights and watch TV shows all together. It's a really great space to get away from the busyness of the main campus. Ever since our chapter house came to life in the spring of 1939, Delta Gammas at Denison have used it as a space to come together to promote scholarship, philanthropy, and sisterhood. It has become our home away from home on the hill, and we are so lucky to have such a beautiful space to grow as individuals while spending time with our sisters. Thank you so much for joining us in the Delta Gamma house today, and we really hope to see you during formal recruitment in the spring.